Take your videos from good to wow with motionarray.com. Set fire to the old ways of video creation in just one click. It's not fantasy, it's rainbows and unicorns made real. Just drag it to the left and easily make your videos the best.
Please, Lord Zux, bring me more customers and a higher ROAS.
Hey you, yes you. Is trying to get customers online driving you crazier than your ex? Thinking of doing a tequila enema or throwing your MacBook out of a moving car window? Tools to do this, tools to do that. Pixels for this and cookies for that. As you work longer, harder, earlier, later, on weekends and whenever you get a spare moment. Listening to podcasts at 2x speed whilst gunning for inbox 0. Refreshing LinkedIn as you pretend to pay attention on a Zoom call that you don't even need to be on. It's okay, there's a solution. Here it is, there is no solution. Did I hurt your feelings? Do you want a Band-Aid and a cuddle? But seriously, if you finally want to get more clients, customers and sales than you can possibly handle, then listen up. Because what I've learned from growing the #1 fastest growing agency in the country and generating my clients over $7.8 billion in sales is that doing so isn't a result of luck, hope, or praying to the internet gods. It's a result of having a selling system that takes complete randos on the internet from who are you to shut up and take my money. Hey Siri, how do I get more customers?
Boom. All right. What is going on, YouTube fam? Where have we got everyone? The boys are here. Ryad, Blake, Connor, what's going on, boys? Good to have you guys on stream. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just getting set up here. Give me a second. Cool. All right. Well, a few more people join. I'll give the guys some time. Let me pause this. Cool. All right, YouTube fam, how's everyone's week been? Good to have you guys back. I posted last night the recap of the trade that we took on Wednesday. So fantastic position, fantastic management. If you guys haven't already, be sure to check out that. And I'll leave the strategy that we're trading today in the pinned messages. All right, videos, where are we? Boom, here. Day trading strat. Boom. There you guys go. You can check out the day trading strat to understand what we're trading today. And let me just get Discord up as well. Remember guys, drop a little like for the stream. We got almost 20 people in here already. We'll let a few more people join and then we'll get cracking. GJ could see some pushes higher today. Gold's just ranging a little bit, coming into 4-hour resistance. We're going to keep an eye on it and see if we can catch some moves on probably GJ. All right. Let me just get up Zoom. All right. Invite, copy link, London live stream. Cool, done. How many people we got? 18 people. I'll let a few more people join. I'll let everyone know that we are live. But yeah, hope you guys have had a good week in the markets. It's been somewhat quiet for me. There's not been a huge amount of volume. I've only taken like 1 or 2 trades this week. Been very, very patient. Same as last week. I was very, very patient last week. And then on the Friday, had 3 wins. So let's see if we can get 3 back-to-back winners today as well. I watched the Asian session for a little bit as well, but didn't take any trades in Asia. Gold did have a really nice move up, actually. Gold pushed like 40 pips from the entry that I was looking at. But I was late to the party and missed that. However, it was a really, really nice move. 40 pips in Asia is amazing. 40 pips in any session is amazing. And yeah, guys, as of, well, probably when I'm back, as of end of May, I'm going to be doing the YouTube live streams in the Asian session. So if you guys want to see more Asian session live streams for you guys who are based in the US, drop a little comment. Let me know that you guys want to do them. I'm going to be doing some of them in the future because, yeah, Asia's been given that bank recently. And I only really trade Asia and London. I don't really trade US too much. I maybe watch it for like 1 to 2 hours, but there's no point in really streaming it. I prefer to just do Asia and London with you guys. And then US is for the community. Alright, who's joining the Zoom? Connor from the UK, but I'll tune in for Asia. Good man. Sounds good, man. I'll start doing them in May. April, May. But it'll probably be May because when I'm back from Thailand. Going to Thailand next week as well. This time next week, actually. What time is it? Yeah, this time next week. I will be in Thailand. Chilling by the pool. What time is it? It's 1 p.m. in Bangkok. So yeah, this time next week I'll be lounging by the pool in Thailand. And also, guys, next week for the YouTube lives, I'll be doing a live on Monday and Wednesday. I won't be having a Friday stream because I'll be getting set up in Thailand and checking into my Airbnb. But we'll do the streams on Monday and Friday. So we got one today, one on Friday, and then one on Wednesday. All right, how many people we got? 20 people. 20 people in the house. All right, guys, get us 10 likes, and I'll start sharing my screen. And we'll get that bank. All right, let me get the Zoom guys in. All right, what's going on? Boom. Yo.
Yo.
How's it going?
Alright.
Good, man. Good. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad.
Boom. 10 likes.
Can't really make much of the chart for now, but
yeah, that was a nice. You called that nice Asia move, which was a really nice push.
that was pretty clear. But now
It was really clean.
can't make much sense of it.
No.
Not sure why.
Yeah, it's tricky because we're at that 4-hour resistance. We just grabbed that previous 4-hour low, but yeah, anywhere in this level, it does get tricky. I am personally more interested in long in GJ up into here. I'd like to long GJ into 1665 today.
Let me have a look.
Looks much nicer than EJ. EJ is very, very messy right now.
EJ is very ugly.
Yeah, man, it's fucking painful.
Of GJ. Yeah, just anywhere below. There's so many wicks on 50 minutes.
Yeah, it's not like, you know, our cleanest picture setup. It will be a difficult one, but if we can snipe a push just, you know, up into this resistance is still like 30 pips, which isn't bad.
Is it like the 166.3 level? That's the one.
Are you looking at gang?
Yeah. I'm looking at GJ.
Yeah, that one right there.
Yeah, I like to, because you kind of got this little left shoulder head come up and create that right shoulder as well, which would be really nice. We have just grabbed the highs as well, having that push back down. I would need to see it, you know, probably close back above this little minor level here. Let me just get this 30-minute. Probably want to see it close back above here now. See, we've got this resistance, broken support, all of this. So if we can get a closure, you know, back above here, quick little retest, I'll be longing GJ up into this head and shoulders. Would be a beautiful potential 50 pips, which would be nice.
What head and shoulders, bro? What I'm talking about.
Jonah, do you know, your mic is unmuted.
Going on, Jonah.
We can hear you saying what you're talking about head and shoulders the entire time. I'm literally sharing my screen and running through the entire thing. Fucking hell.
Ah, classic. Eh?
You're in the community. I don't get it. It's not as if you're on YouTube. You're literally here from the community as well.
Awesome.
But yeah, nice closure above here, and I'll be buying it up into here. But yeah, there's nowhere to really sell it into. It kind of gets messy anywhere in here. So I'm not really interested in shorting it. I would rather look for longs. I like how we've grabbed this little low here. Maybe we'll come in little, grab some mini lows here before a push up. How long we got? We've got 15 minutes to this 30 as well. So Asia did absolutely nothing on GJ, which is okay. Do you trade EU? Are you predominantly S&R trade? No, I don't trade EU, man. I don't trade it. But I can have a look at it. We can still have a browse and see what it's saying. Some other guys trade EU. But for this intraday, I'm pretty much trading gold, GJ, and EJ. Yeah, Jesse's the AU king, not me. But yeah, we'll see what it's saying. See what it's saying. Gonna get this 15 closure on GJ soon. Let's see, 15. 15, yeah. If the 15 closes above, this could be pretty nice. Kind of creating a little trend line there, which I don't really like, without really grabbing any lows. How's the 5 minute looking? Yeah, 5 minute needs a little bit more time. Could grab some lows first. I'm gonna be. We don't have to grab it, depending on if EJ has, but I'm watching for this low. Has EJ grabbed it? No, not really. All right, cool. We'll give it a market a sec. We'll wait for this 15 close. Do you think it's worth taking a trade if you can only get 10 pips, or not worth it? Just random question. Not sorry if it's a dumb question. No, it's not a dumb question, man. But no, 10 pips personally isn't worth it for me. Like if you're in the trade and you know it's running and you're trailing a stop and the stop gets taken at 10 pips, there's nothing wrong with that. But the target for me has to be at least 30 to 40. That's not to say you're going to catch the whole 30 to 40 pip move. But if the target is only 10 pips, like, you know, if it goes 10 pips into profit, then it can go against you. Then no, personally, that's not worth it for me. You know, like if I was buying GJ in here, and you know, the first range is here, only 10 pips, I wouldn't buy it into that because that's not worth it for me. Whereas if I can, you know, long it up into here, then that's potential 50 pips, which makes more sense. Even if I don't catch, you know, the entire move, it has to have the ability to be able to reach that. Why don't I like that trend line on GJ? Because that's a retail trap. Retail trade third touches of trend lines, looking for them big pushes up. Whenever I see price coming into a third touch of a trend line, I'm waiting for price to come and grab some lows before then potentially going higher. I never trade third touches of trend lines. That's always when you get the liquidity grabs and the stop hunts. So expect any retail traders are probably trying to go long, and maybe they've just adjusted their stop to something like this. They're probably going to get stopped out here on GJ. Looking for this big play up. You know, if you're gonna trade, the only reason I draw on trend lines is to understand what retail traders are looking at. So if I'm looking to take, you know, price to the downside, and I can see we've done like this, and then price is coming up somewhere like this. I'm waiting for it to grab this high before then having that pushback down. Because that's where, you know, every retail short and third touch stops just above the previous high, looking for that big play down. They get manipulated, and then that's when you want to look for the position. What pair is this in time frame? This is GJ on the 15. I'm waiting for a 30 closure here on GJ for potential longs. 4 hourly is closed strong, breaking back above this level, but I don't want to get caught on a fake out. But if we do close back above this by 10 a.m. London time, we could get a really nice push up into these highs. It's not the cleanest, so I am going to wait for higher time frame confirmations. Like, I'm not going to wait for a 5 minute, I'm going to wait for a 15-minute closure. But if we do get the push, it looks good to me. Looks worth the risk. What Jesse? You guys watching anything else? I don't like Goldie.
I'm in the EU shorts. I just sent the photo in the Discord.
Oh, nice man. Nice man.
No, we've got that high mass, to be honest.
Oh, very nice.
Take out that little low.
Oh yeah, that was a nice.
I'm hoping it will take out the low, because that would be a nice 1 to 4 for me.
That was a lovely liquidity grab there. Just look at that
Did you get
5
in?
minute.
I got in on the 1 minute.
Nice.
Okay.
There it is.
Nice.
You've been so slow, I just thought, heck it.
Heck it.
Thanks. You answer our questions so humble. Yeah, Joe, of course, man. Ask away any questions you want. No such thing as a dumb question in this game. No such thing. Oh, Alad's joining. Let's get Alad in the building. Yeah.
Do you have to like accept everyone if they like try and join? Do you have to like accept?
Yeah, got accepted him in.
Yeah.
Just in case anyone tries to copy the Zoom link. And
Why are you accepting Alan?
I'll give him a chance to do. We'll give him a little bit of warning.
Just leave him in the waiting room for half an hour.
Are your friends?
I've got a dumb question. If I have 1,000 USD account, is 20 lots okay? Ash, no, that's too small. You need to start up in the game and start taking this more seriously. What's going on, Alad?
There's no risk unless you're risking margin call.
Yeah, you want to level up, stop trading 100 lots.
Did anyone keep hold of that gold long?
From US?
Yeah.
Ah, fucking wish.
Right.
Ugh. Would have been ridiculous. So I had buy stops in. Where did I have my buy stops? I think it was after 15. Original stop was like, fuck off. Was around 25 pips, about here. And then as this pushed, I was like, amazing, we should get a nice push. And as this closed back bearish, I got out here on the retest at break even. And then as the news came out, boom, straight to the moon. 70 pips in like fucking a minute. Ridiculous. Yeah, they don't call me Mr. Roger Banks for no reason, you know.
They don't. There's gotta be a reason for it. Oh, that was a lovely move.
Yeah, it was huge. The technicals were so nice. I was just a bit scared of holding a trade into that news. You know,
Yeah.
I don't want to predict too much. But yeah, it would have been a banger. That would have been US. But then after we started to wick back down, then this candle, I called it. I don't want to watch it anymore. And it boomed.
No, I was not on the charts.
Where was the 15? Yeah, so I got in on the 15 flip, like this.
Could do like a little short on goal, but it's like very ambitious.
Oh, let's see.
Like into the lows, like 20 pips or so.
Yeah. 20.
Yeah.
30. Yeah, it's not bad. Hey Jesse, did you get soaked yesterday in the
Bro, fuck.
I saw your story, it looked fucking crazy.
It was insane, dude. I'm coming in here every year for Thai New Year. It was so good.
Nice.
Actually insane. It's like a 72-hour water gunfight.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
It's finally stopped there. I thought it'd still be going, honestly. And I got back, like I was walking back to my resort like 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And I just see all the garbos having to clean up. I felt so fucking bad.
Oh man, fuck that. Fuck, that would
Just, like,
suck.
everything on the street. So cool though.
Oh, look at this on GJ.
Yo, Blake, did you get in on that like top 1 minute candle?
Yeah, the first 1 minute engulfing.
Oh,
The very
shit.
first one. 1.10726. Yeah.
Oh, banger. Oh, Lee.
I like it.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Marcia. Good to have you here. Alright, if we get short close on
Entered
GG.
with half risk, and then I was going to enter again on the 5 minute candle, but I just didn't like how big the stop loss was, and because I was already in with a great entry, I just thought, I'll just leave it at the one entry.
Oh my god.
Ron, let me see your picture. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it looks fucking crazy. But I was there this time last year, but because it was like COVID times, everyone was still kind of freaking out, so they didn't really do it as much.
Yeah, no, this was like the first time I've had it in like 3 years. Someone was telling me.
Oh yeah, because COVID shit.
Maybe it was extra crazy.
Yeah, nice.
They're catching up on 3 years, you know. That's fucking sick, man.
Nice.
You should have booked the flights earlier.
I know, man. I know. I missed it by a couple of days.
Oh well.
One more week.
Next year.
One more week, and I'll be there.
Yeah, and I'll be going sad.
When do you go?
17.
17. Oh yeah, 3 days before me. How long have you been there for?
A little. I don't know actually.
A good couple of weeks, isn't it?
Yeah,
Nice.
like a little over 3 weeks.
Yeah, nice. Can you make a video discussing about similar traps? Yeah, I have a few on my YouTube channel. There's a lot of the old trade recaps where I discuss it as well. Same as the day trading strap pinned at the top as well. But yeah, there's actually loads of videos on it on my YouTube channel. Discussing retail traps. What are you looking for today, Alad? What are you peeping?
I just wanted to say between EG and GG, which is the nicest. What have you got on your screen?
Oh, fucking EJ's whack.
Oh, you're EG now. Ah, yeah. See that top line lever?
Yeah.
I've got the same thing. I just put it from here. That's all I got is from there.
Nice.
And I was thinking if this 30 minute could close roughly you know, if you were sort of in or above,
Yeah.
just gonna shoot at. That's what I was looking for.
I think GJ is nicer. I was trying to work this out
Yeah,
before
I
as
think
well.
Yeah, I think it is. But it's just the only thing that is making me think is that you got there.
Yeah.
I don't think GJ has taken it out. Oh, that's
I grabbed it here, yeah. I like GJ because of this head and shoulders. Where we could, you know, boom, boom.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'd be...
It's a nicer target here, right?
Yeah. And then we still got this load down here to come and liquidate later on.
Yeah. Yeah. Overall, I do think it's going to have a little bit of a pullback. I don't know. Out of nowhere, it just seems that pound has gained strength or something. I don't know.
Gold looks better for a pump.
People are talking about pound strength over here. And I'm like,
yeah.
How was it got? How was it got strength? 50p. Yeah, no, yeah, Ron. They have to make the 50p even bigger now to get Charles's nose on there. No, I haven't seen it.
Oh, poor Charles. Why are you being mean to a man like Charles? Gold. Yeah, gold could be nice. I kind of, you know, because I'd long up into this high at least, but I kind of would want it to kind of break this, and I'd probably look for the buy above this level, just because if I buy it now, buying into this resistance right here is only 20 pips, which is not really worth it. Whereas we buy it in here, then up into this high, we got almost 40 to then at least come spike it out. You've almost got 50. So I would rather a breakout on gold.
I guess there
Let's
is.
get rid of that. Yeah. Broke out. Boom. Booming.
Just the GJs is trying, but I don't know. Just 30 seconds really, well, 25 seconds to break that level, and I would just to continue up.
Boom. I just saw your Blake chart. Your Blake chart? Your chart, Blake. Fuck, that's a bang of a catch. Very good catch.
I was sent it in Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm on two different computers at the moment, so I couldn't like send it on this one. I should do it like a photo.
Sure.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
On a work computer, yeah, I'm flexing the fact that I'm
how would you describe your style of trading in one line? Fuck, that's pretty hard. Liquidity.
Sexy.
Alan says sexy. I'd say liquidity, retail traps, overall support and resistance is pretty much it. It's very simple. The main element is the liquidity grabs and understanding retail traps. Once you understand that, then it can be very simple. Just trading simple levels whilst understanding where price could grab before doing something else. Ron said goat. Thank you, Ron. 30-minute on GJ has just closed below this level, unfortunately. So we can't long just yet. Creating a top wick right now. Failed to break back above this support. So I need to see a little bit more. I got to be very patient today. Supply and demand, but with traps. Nice. The traps are the key. Yeah, very good catch. Nice 30-minute close there as well. Very nice.
Did it
Gold. But yeah, I'm being more aggressive with my patience today in terms of I'm not really interested in 5-minute closures. I'm more interested in 15 and 30-minute closures. Just with how choppy we are, if you watch 5-minute time frame in this price action, you'll get absolutely manipulated. So I need 30 closures.
30. Ooh.
Yeah. Now I would have said 15, but now I kind of need 30. Because it's the 30 close below it, so I kind of need the 30 to close above it. If the 30 can go close, above, and even above these highs is okay, and then come back down, and then we'll take the break. We'll take this. Stops will be here. Targets will be here. Full margin half risk today. Hey, I've not played my golf course today.
Yeah, I need to download that.
You're missing out, man. You're missing out. But you guys on YouTube, how's everyone found the markets this week? Have you guys had a winning week, losing week, break-even week? I'm interested to see how everyone's found the markets recently.
Quiet for me, I'll be honest.
Make bank today and buy upgrade on check-in. Ron, absolutely, man. Absolutely.
Ron already knows the score.
Yeah, sounds like a plan to me.
Yeah. Aaron needs to make bank so he can upgrade from midget strippers to taller strippers.
I only trade GJ, and GJ has been dead lately. Yeah, man. I trade GJ a lot as well, and GJ has been very, very dead this week. I don't think I've taken any positions on GJ this week. What did I forget? No, none.
EJ.
Yeah.
EJ instead.
Yeah, we took a position on EJ, but no, none on GJ this week. Because the hourly has been wild.
Holy cow, I've had
That was a nice push.
one trade this week.
Nice. I only trade EU at the moment. Pretty solid moves. Nice.
What a G.
Everyone's taking over the EU. To be fair, EU, I can't lie, EU recently has had much nicer moves than gold. Much nicer moves. We saw that move yesterday, that big push yesterday. It was really nice. What was that? 40 pips. Very nice. Asia had a nice move on gold. Luke caught a nice Asia push. So there was some Asia plays today. Like even if you're just taking the break of this high up into here, 30. Same again here, 20. And you even this little flip, 15.
Luke, he caught one again. Go on, Luke.
Luke's taken over the Asian live streams.
Yeah, can you, I'll have to send you a DM with my login details as well. I'll have an email on MT4 platform. Excuse me, sir. There seems to be 8 logins on Asia. That's normal.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot more volatility in London, but Asia does move a lot cleaner, usually.
It does. That's the thing. Like, even if in like Asia you just go 15, 20, 30 pips, it's amazing. That is honestly all you need. You don't need to catch, these huge drops. Even if you just catch from here to here, it's 15, up into the highest 20, 30. Done. And this is where's Brisbane time? Am I blind? Yeah, I'm blind. So what was this? 10 a.m. there, Brisbane time. That you're done by 10:40, 30 pips. Very nice.
Have you secured anything on that EU trade, buddy?
No, not yet.
Strong week on Bitcoin this week. Dumpies this weekend for many. Yeah, has it looking on the weekly now? I know the daily broke above. Yeah, solid. Next stop, 35k.
The corn.
And then,
God, look at that.
where is it? Bitcoin, next stop will be the moon. Oh, will it be back down at 10k?
Look at that head and shoulders.
I think we'll come back down here. The moon. Woo, no. Bitcoin's not going to the moon. Bitcoin's going to retest the back of this trend line, retest 35k, and everyone's going to say moon, and then before you know it, bam. Back down at 15k.
I'm gonna quote you on that or copyright it and everything.
Not financial advice, sir.
I'm gonna send you something on EA. No, don't do that. Silly arrow.
I would rather buy XRP at around 25. And then XRP is going to the moon after that as well. XRP is going to come back down here, liquidate all these lows, and then, you know, even maybe into here. It's good enough for me. That's 283% return. I don't care if it's going to go to the moon or new all-time highs. I would never hold it that high. I'm not one of these hopium traders that say Bitcoin's going to 100k based off no evidence other than someone down the pub told me so, which is definitely a reliable source.
I assume you all know who Graham Stephan is on YouTube.
Yeah.
I saw a YouTube shorts that he made the other day where he had a podcast with someone who's made like millions and millions on Dogecoin but was holding, and he was like trying to convince him to sell like so hard, and then he's still holding and it's worth nothing.
Oh no.
He was explaining to him like, sell it all, you invest 3 million in this, you still have 2 million, and then you're making 350,000 a year doing nothing.
Oh my
And
days.
the dude was like, nothing holding, it's nothing.
Dumbest fucking shit ever.
So Elon's getting sued for his tweets about it.
Yeah, so he should. It's fucking crazy.
He is a dick.
It's fucking funny.
Yeah, if I was him, I'd do the exact same shit. But fucking hell, it's crazy how just he can post a tweet and literally manipulate the whole entire market. It's fucking crazy.
That's only sheep. That's the only difference. So, yeah. Like Elon doesn't even trade. He doesn't even.
He's a legend. Yeah, he's a legend.
He doesn't give a fuck what if Bitcoin goes up or not. There's any tweets.
Nah.
He goes like, yeah, he knows he's not.
If you're buying something just because somebody else said to, then you deserve to fucking receive it.
Yeah, you do. It's called Trust Me, Bro. Absolutely. Best source in the game.
Just looking over EA and there's some like spikes and then drops. Spike and drop.
Yeah.
There's lots of liquidity drops and then both drops.
Yeah.
All over the place. Some of them are big drops as well.
Look at these spikes on EA. Let me see a chart. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, EA loves them spikes.
Yeah, could be something.
Depending how this 5 minute closes, I might take 50% off on the EU.
Nice, man. Nice. Let me see how she's looking. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Yeah.
Kind of
if it doesn't
any
drop
man's
below
game.
Those levels, I'll be taking 50% here.
Yeah, it's a good shout, man. Nice quick scalp. Nothing wrong with a quick scalperoonie. Do you use leverage or buy spot? Gary, do you mean for crypto or just day trading? You live in the UK when not traveling? No, TR, I've moved to Australia now. I live in Brisbane at the moment. I live in Brisbane.
Why did you choose Brisbane?
I actually chose Gold Coast. But then when I first moved there, I spent like 2 months trying to find a place to live, and it was literally impossible. So on like the last week of my Airbnb in the Gold Coast, I then decided to check out places in Brisbane and got an apartment like within the first week. So I then ended up signing that for 6 months, and then ended up getting a girlfriend in Brisbane, and the rest is history. But it's
half the price, dude.
Yeah, literally half the price, and I get so much more. But Brisbane's not where I want to live forever, though. I find it quite. I don't like city life. I prefer being by the beach. I definitely want to move. I want to move back to New Zealand at one time.
Brisbane's such a weird city as well.
Yeah, it's a weird city, man. It's like a big city, but at the same time, it's like there's fucking nothing to do.
It's like, yeah, it's full of country people and there's nothing to do, but it's big, and it's got everything there.
Yeah. It's just good because it has like Sunshine Coast and Gold Coast right on your doorstep. So it's like Sunshine Coast for me is like 40-minute drive away, which is pretty sweet. Girlfriends are half the price in Brisbane.
Where do you live, Blake?
I lived up in Brisbane for 2 years and I moved back down to Sydney 12 months ago. But my parents own a place, have a motel in rural New South Wales, so I travel between Sydney and here because they just can't get staff to run the motel. So
Okay.
Sponsor Alad to come over. Alad will get you over to Australia.
I'll only move to New South Wales.
We don't want to come to Queensland.
I'm in the old South Wales right now.
Took me a while, but I got it. I got there in the end.
Yeah, I'll go over one day. Yeah. Can your parents sponsor me to come over? I know what's up. I feel very good.
I'm in South Wales right now. Hey, nice. There you go. Someone else in South Wales.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah, South Wales. Yeah, the main Wales or the big one in Australia.
I'm just outside Sydney. Yeah, Michael's in Sydney. Nice.
Oh, Michael, I'm in Western Sydney, like most of the time.
Nice.
Alright, I'm closing. I don't know if I should close it. I'm thinking 50% here.
You?
Met a lady trader out here yesterday. Nice. Ash met a lady trader yesterday. Go on, Ash.
What?
Ash met a lady trader. She panics in every trade. But this upload fun to listen to. Nice.
I don't remember talking to you, Ash.
Oh, please give us some volume at this open.
No.
You just gotta come take that load. Did you close?
No, I was so close to it, now it's dropping again.
Oh, the 30-minute looks nice. 30-minute creating a top wick close bearish could come down, at least grab this low or this low.
Yeah, that's what.
If I was holding this, I'd probably be shorting it down into here or probably down into here. But this one would be nicer.
That's a lovely level going across as well.
Yeah.
That candle closes below that level. Guys, you're onto a winner.
Yeah. But there was no signal, so no credit.
No.
A joke. But it could also, I don't want to jinx it, but it could also create head and shoulders here as well before then. It's like, you got head shoulder, you also got inverse as well. Head and shoulders all over the shop today.
Disgusting.
Where is he?
Yeah, see, it's dropped 40 pips.
Who?
It's dropped 40
Got me
pips
excited.
back.
I just closed 50%.
Good man. Very nice.
I thought this week would have had a bit more movement. Yeah, oomph. Now, use that word. Yes. I love that. Give it a bit of oomph.
There's a coffee brand here in New Zealand called Oomph.
Nice.
I'm not sure if it's New Zealand, but
How long are you in New Zealand for, Luke? Are you like...
6 years.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, man, it's fuck. Like, how you got your passport, that's... Yeah, I've said that before, eh? Like, I know people that will murder.
Yeah. How come you're there for... How come you managed to stay there for so long?
I got sponsored through a company, yeah.
Oh, nice.
And then last year we got a residency here.
Nice.
And then next year, September, we'll have like permanent residency. So now you still have like rules to abide by, like we can't leave for more than 6 months of the year, like go overseas
Yeah.
for more than 6 months, for 2 years.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was very lucky at getting mine.
Hey?
I was very lucky at getting my passport.
Yeah.
Very lucky.
Yeah. And you can then also live in Australia, which is...
Yeah. Yeah.
And I think it's a lot more quiet over here than Australia. Pretty...
Do you like living there? Yeah.
In New Zealand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'd love to live in Australia as well.
Yeah.
But it's just...
How long have you been there?
6 years here, yeah.
What part of New Zealand are you in?
North Island, West Coast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never been to New Zealand, but I'm heading to Christchurch for the first time in September.
Oh,
yeah?
Nice.
What are you doing in Christchurch?
Snow Machine Festival.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
For a music festival. And a bit of a
Nice.
snowboarding trip.
Cool. Christchurch itself looks pretty boring though. Like
Yeah.
looking around and stuff.
I'm coming over in July.
Hey?
I'm coming over in July for a week.
To Christchurch?
No, I'm going to Auckland and then down to Wellington.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go to New Zealand one day.
It's stunning, man. It's fucking beautiful.
I really do.
You're gonna hire a $10,000 van again?
No, not this time, man. I'm not making that same mistake twice.
How long did you have it for?
About 3 weeks.
About
3 weeks. 3 weeks, something like that. Yeah. I started in Christchurch and then drove all the way up to Auckland. It was a very nice drive.
You can have a look at they call it relocation. I think they have it in Australia too. They like need the van in a different spot and you just drive it there. You have like a time limit and it's free and everything's paid for.
Yeah, it's so good. I've heard about that.
But yeah, then you kind of have to like drive a lot more than you kind of want to probably.
Yeah, because like I assume you get like a time limit.
Yeah, and the time limit is quite a short time that you can't be mucking around for like a month or so.
Yeah.
Just keep saying you pop the tire every day.
do my trick. Say you got locked out at night, can't get back in yet.
This hourly on GJ is looking really nice.
Yeah, it is. It really is. Getting a nice push in the last few minutes. Soon as we start to close above, I'm longing this motherfucker.
That is alert, so it's obviously gone past that level.
Yeah, as soon as we get a closure here, look at that. We're starting to push up in the last few minutes of this hourly, which is what you want to see.
Yeah.
5 minute. This 5 minute close above. Next 5 minute probably continue, and then maybe come down, grab some lows, and then we'll take it.
Yeah.
Antonio, any trades yet? No, not yet, man. Waiting for this closure here on GJ to long it up into these highs around 1665. But no trades just yet. But as soon as we get this closure here, we could have one very soon. So as soon as we break back above this level, I'll be longing up into, just call it 165. But 165 is nice. But this is a nice round level here.
Could be nice. Could be sunny. Very nice.
I can't believe you still say that. Ala, did we book in a rooftop bar in Bangkok on the Friday?
Yeah.
Cool.
Absolutely. It's nice that that other one doesn't have to be booked up, because I want to go with that one. Looks really nice.
Yeah, it does. Jonah, I just saw your email. Just message me on Discord, man. Just send me a message on Discord.
Aaron, are you watching gold?
Yeah, I was kind of waiting for a 30. Actually looking, oh, back down.
Yeah, it took that minor 5 minute, which sort of lined up with the neckline.
Yeah.
And it left a tiny wick. I only just looked at it now, though.
This little one.
EU's dropping nicely.
EU. Oh yeah, very nice. Grabbing that low. EU's getting some volume. GJ closing above? Not yet. One more minute. YouTube guys, feel free to ask away any other trading questions or any pairs you want me to look over. We can look over some pairs whilst waiting for this closure. Still got to wait about 10 more minutes on GJ for a potential trade, or 30 seconds if we get some strong volume.
36 degrees in Bangkok right now. Yeah, baby.
36, did you say?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
36.
Nice.
Humidity is 54%.
That's what you want.
It's 37 on Saturday.
Sweaty Thailand heat.
Yeah, 37 on Friday.
Oh. That calls for a few changs by the pool, if you ask me.
Yeah, they better be chilled.
I'll have them frozen ready for you. Oh, look at this. 5 minutes just closed above here on GJ.
Yeah. I turn up and you're absolutely steaming on me on my birthday weekend.
Your birthday weekend. Your birthday trip.
Yeah. Spreads are huge.
Really?
What's your spreads on GJs? It's 15, 16.
Yeah, wow, very big.
Temperature.
13. Yeah, huge. I don't have this in just yet.
That's it.
So you've got Zoom people in your community and YouTube people as guests today. Yeah, TR, yeah. That's what I do. I YouTube live stream every Wednesday and Friday. Then I do this every other day in the community. Mine's 6. Nice. Yeah, mine's gone down to 8 now. 10. Coming into that London Open as well. Coming into that London Open. I'm just gonna.
What a child.
I'm just gonna wait for another 5 minutes, because this 5 minutes is the last 5 minutes of the hourly, which is gonna be a very, very key. We don't have any news or anything like that, so we should be all clear for some nice moves. Some nice pepperoonies today. Yeah, Owlie's looking real nice. Owlie could fling. We didn't really grab any lows there. We did grab this low. 30. Did we grab the previous 30 low? Oh no, we didn't. Interesting. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the 30. 30 closes above, amazing. But if it doesn't, then I think we need to come and grab just a few more lows. I don't like that we haven't grabbed the previous 30 low just yet. But now that we're pushing down, it's not a bad place to put in a little buy order. If it doesn't trigger, it doesn't trigger. If it does, amazing. Not a bad place. Is that gold? No, this is GJ, man. We're looking at GJ here. Yo, Aaron, did you hop into any buys yet? No, not just yet. I am very close to jumping in some buys. I'm just waiting for a closure. We're coming into the last 5 minutes of the hourly. So if this 5 minute doesn't break this resistance, the hour will be leaving a wick, still respecting to potentially roll over. See, we haven't really grabbed any lows before this move up. We still got this trendline liquidity coming on along here. So if we can grab some more lows, then I'll be more inclined to put it in. But look how this last 5 minute of the hourly is the most important, and this is the one that's now flipping bearish. So now we know the hourly is going to be leaving that wick, or a body, sorry, and the 30 will be leaving that wick. Broke, retested, pushed down. 15, yeah, look at that 15 wick. Did we grab the highs? Yeah, we did. Look at that. Just grab that previous 15, having that push back down. It's even the thing is, although I think it's going to have a push down, usually I would want to sell it, but the fact that the range is, shorting it down to here 7 pips, is like I can't even really sell it. Maybe if we broke this support, then I could sell it back down to these lows, but until then I won't really trade GJ in this range, unfortunately. It's just not worth my monies. It's not worth my pipperoonies. My pips are precious. Maverick, what's the entry? Nothing yet, man. Nothing yet. Price has to close above this very lovely resistance level. See here? Fake out, resistance, broke, support, broke, resistance. So if you're buying GJ right now, you're predicting too much. Trade what you see. Price is trading below this resistance. So if anything, you should be short on GJ. I'll only buy it if we close above, then retest it, and then I'll look for the drive. So we're not doing anything just yet. Goldie. Ooh, look at that gold. Just grabbing the previous lows.
Oh, look at your 15.
Oh shit, I'm on EU.
It hasn't created a top record. The only thing is, like, that candle is 22 pips. So the stop loss would have to be 22 pips.
Yeah. Is it a 10 pip stop loss? Stop loss will be dependent on price action, but we have nothing in just yet. We were almost close to, but look at that, 15 minutes still respecting this resistance. So now I will not trade GJ until the 15 minute closes above. Even if this now just goes to the moon, I don't care. I'm sticking to my plan of I will not trade it until it breaks and closes above this resistance. How's that hourly just closed? Yeah, hourly just closed pretty bearish. Still respecting the support. Coming up for that top wick on the hourly. So yeah, nothing yet.
EJ is coming back up again. Oh Jesus.
Is EJ looking nicer or still GJ?
Yeah, it's just, I don't know, GJ is just backing up. I'm gonna leave GJ break above 166, 1-2, and then I'm looking to bounce, get out of that range.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Decent.
Bing.
Yeah, we can just break above there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's also my concern. That's ideally what I would love.
Yeah.
Even if this closes really strong, then we get the little 5-minute liquidity grabs, and then I'll enter like this and like this, and we'll still get a really nice 30-40 pip play. But yeah, that was my concern as well.
Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be cool.
What's the lowest time frame you'll trade on? Typically the 5-minute. Don't get me wrong, I've taken some 1-minute snipes before, but I haven't in a long time. Blake and Jesse, like, there it is. But no, I haven't taken any 1 minutes in a long time. Do you remember when we took that 1 minute on NASDAQ? Do you remember?
Well, then had that going, it was just like, but I don't know what the fuck is doing. It was just like,
yeah, and then we caught a fucking snipe on it though. That was on stream as well. I don't remember when that was. That was back in November time.
Yeah, don't go into 1 minute now. You'd be scrolling back for ages. Can't even remember. Yeah, that was last year. I haven't traded now since last year.
No, neither, man. Neither.
We're making bank on EG and gold.
Yeah.
So tempted to go long on gold, to be honest.
On gold. Don't tempt me.
I know it's going
Don't
long.
you tempt me like that.
I know it. I know this. Like this and that. No wick to the upside.
Yeah.
So it's going to at least come to here.
Yeah. I agree, sir. I agree. Right, we got this London Open now, so hopefully we get some fucking volume. It was in GA long earlier, but got stopped at break even. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where do you get some longs from, Michael? It's having a pretty nice push now. Having a real nice push. 60 pips from the lows. Gold's still pushing down. How's that? How would that hourly just close on gold? Doji still. How long we got? I don't really. The 5 minute is closing above, but I don't really want to take the 5 minute closure. I don't really want to. If it did close and we came back down for a retest, stops would be below here, 12 pips. So we'd have to come back down now without grabbing these highs. As long as we don't grab these highs, you got to be break even the second we do, which is pretty aggressive. I wouldn't take the retest.
Still, like, huge.
What are mine? Oh wait, GJ. Yeah, mine's back to 14. Holy shit. Oh yeah, spreads are fucking
EJ is 3.
Yeah.
Wait, 3?
Yeah, EJ is.
You got 3 pips on EJ?
The spreads are 3, yeah.
Fuck.
Oh,
Yep.
You got like 0.4.
nice.
Point 4.
0.4, yeah. Not even half a pip.
I thought I'd ever seen that. Jesus.
Closed.
Euro
Yeah,
USD.
and GJ is 1.2.
0.
Gold's 1.5, 1 right now.
Yeah.
2.
What broker do you use?
I'm with Traders Global Group, but that's my Forex fund.
Nice. Closed half at 1%, then stops to break even. Good shit, man. Good shit. Jack, no order's not in yet. Just yet, man. Not just yet. I'm kind of waiting for the 15 to close above. I was considering the 5 minute entry, but it's kind of going against everything I've just said. And it's kind of, I feel like I'm forcing a trade if I put this in. I'm kind of want to stick to my plan of, I really want this 15 to close above. As soon as the 15 closes above though, 15 or 13, I'm ready to take it. EJ grabbing the highs. Ooh. EJ grabbing, yeah. Same as EJ. EJ kind of needs to close above, and then you could long EJ up into these highs, which would still be 20.
Gold's got my eyes at the moment. It's taking that
Oh.
previous major low.
Yeah, boy.
Just now, eh?
Nice.
Looks quite juice.
You in the club again, Kane?
Yeah, I live here. I actually run the place.
Good man. Trading
music.
from the back office. No runner. Good shit, Blake. Let me see.
At least you didn't unmute just to talk shit. Value.
Yeah, I took your advice yesterday. Looked myself in the mirror. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a lovely catch, Blake. Very nice.
Cheers. Yeah, I just took the last 50% as it hit that low.
Good man. Look at that previous 15 wick as well.
Yeah.
Was that your sound as well, Blake? That it's like a little celebration?
Yeah, I got my alerts on TradingView set up to send me a text message.
Nah, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, nice, except when you get a text saying stop loss hit. I want you to fucking text me that. Yeah.
It comes in that one.
Lovely trade, yeah, very nice trade.
I'm gonna make a coffee. I'll be back now.
All good, man. All good.
I don't think I'm gonna miss anything in 5 minutes.
Oh, you never know. All right, guys. Stops to break even. Secure partials. Stops to break even.
This guy. I have gold control.
Just in case anyone takes it.
I am interested.
Let's see. Yeah, nice. Yeah, me too. I like that. I don't love it, but I like it. I would consider a risky. How long we got? 1 more minute for this. Whoa. Wait,
Inside.
what's going on there?
That was the one.
Alright, who's going in the waiting room for that? Use some time out. That GJ flipping back below the level, a little fake out there. I can't even short it because it's like 10 pips. I ain't taking 10 pips. Hey Luke, I think we just start trading Asia and that's it.
Yeah. It's so choppy, eh?
I know, man, it's crazy. But
I just don't see it as well. Sometimes that's how it is, you know. It's like I really don't know what I'm looking at. And right now, I've got no clue. Like the GJ, I'm like, like whatever you guys are seeing, I'm like, I have no fucking clue. Eh?
No, to be fair, it's very hard to kind of fucking see anything. And look at this. Look at these 4 hour candles. Hourly. Like, look at this hourly. This is the first hourly of the London Open, though. Today looks meh. Bring back yesterday's setups. What did you catch yesterday, Ash? Did you catch anything nice? Look at that. Hourly could come down and create that bottom wick. Maverick, I'm going to be streaming Asia when I get back from Thailand in May. We're going to be doing some Asian sessions. I'm always, active in the Discord during Asian session, but I don't stream at the minute. But we're always sharing charts during the time. DAX longs. Oh yeah, I saw your DAX longs in Discord. Oh my days, look at them wicks, that's so nice. Where from here? Oh yeah, very nice. Boom. Look at that, grab the lows.
Maybe if you could get like it's pretty ambitious, but if it closes below 2036.
Yep. Down here.
5-ish. Go down. 30 pips, 25. It's all tough, eh?
Yeah, it's just kind of like, it's one of them where you just kind of have to see it for exactly what it is, and it's like, it's just, I just personally, for me on gold, I don't want to take anything in any of this. It's just not a high probability setup to trade in this. Until we get like maybe like a clear, strong, like 30-minute big volume candle, then we could consider shorting it down into some lows or highs. But until then, we need some more. We just need volume. That's it.
It's just got some left, like it's got like 10 pips to the next level down, and then it's got another 15 max.
Yeah.
If that, like it's all wicks pretty much, and then from that on, next one it'll be another 25. It's just the ranges are too small, eh?
Yeah, it's one of them. The range is way too small, because like even if we break this little level here, so you got to short it down into there. It's like fuck. Will you be streaming London when on holiday? Yeah, Maverick, I'll still be streaming. It's a trading retreat, so we're gonna be trading together, in person and still on the London session as well.
Every day. Every
damn day. Making that bread.
You gotta get the wording right, otherwise you can't claim it on tax if you call it a holiday.
Exactly, it's a business trip. Oh man. Let me type in EU. I mean euro yen. No. Markets are testing our patience this week, that's for sure.
Yeah, and so far we've passed.
Yeah, we have passed. It's been a very slow grind, but we're getting through it.
Thank you. Just writing in my journal now earlier on. I can't believe I'm writing in. It's been a great week, and I've taken one break-even trade.
It is. That's still a good week though. It is.
It's like. If you told me that I was going to write that in my journal like a year ago or like 2 years ago, shut the fuck up.
But that's because, like, usually these are the times where people force trades and end the week like minus 3-4%. So to come out break even on the week, I think is something to be proud of.
Yeah.
Awesome. Can't wait to join the team. Maverick, it'll be a pleasure to have you, man. Welcome anytime. Anytime.
Let's go, Maverick.
Let's do it. Make that bread.
So what do you do in New Zealand then, Nick?
Right now I do some work in real estate.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
I'm not selling anything. I just help people out and stuff.
Pretty cool.
Before where I was sponsored at, that was like a company that was making like a vegan yogurt.
Huh.
Oh, wow.
Like the town that I live is just pretty focused on like reduce waste and can be a bit hippie as well sometimes. Yeah. Like reduce waste, vegans and all that.
So you got sponsored and then left them. You got your sponsorship and you're like, fuck this, I'm out.
I was there for 5 years, so I thought.
Oh shit, nice.
But yeah, no. As soon as I had my residency, I was like, cheers, see ya. Yeah.
I got sponsored in Canada.
Oh, so you know how it is a little bit.
Yeah, it was tough.
Yeah, it's such a shitty position you put yourself in as well, eh? Like, like they can say whatever they want, and you just like, you could be like, well, I quit, and then they're like, all right, well, good luck.
See ya.
Wherever you come.
Yeah, it's true.
I was kind of lucky though, because I really got on great with the manager and the area manager. We were like besties, so I was in their little group, and they were pushing me, like they were flying me down to like Vernon, just like 2 hours away, like for managing the training and everything. It was good.
What positions were you in?
Like tires and like brake pads and suspension. Cheers, Aaron.
No, this is the trade, but not range. No, not you. you carry on.
It was good. It was good. But, yeah.
I never been. I want to go sometime. Canada.
It's so nice.
Yeah, I'd like to go to Canada.
It's so nice. It's like it's just I couldn't. You can't really explain it. It's like New Zealand and like Wales in the summer when we do get sun. It's just because I know a lot of Kiwis and I know a lot of Aussies actually. And they're saying like New Zealand and Canada is quite similar in certain aspects. So I just want to go over and experience it. But Canada is just and the people are so nice, so nice. Similar Americans. I honestly think Americans are so nice.
Yeah, I agree.
Like every single one that I've met here, they're all very, very nice people.
Yeah. Very pleasant. It's like my old mum. He's so old school, and it's like effing Yanks and blah blah blah. Like, and I took him to like Vegas, and he was like so shocked how nice they were. Like, because we went through obviously London and Heathrow and he was like, fuck, it's just night and day. And I was like, yeah, see?
Yeah.
They are nice people. They're alright.
Yeah, everyone about the Canadians. I don't think Americans get enough.
Yeah, they don't. No, they don't get it. Yeah, it's but no, I do. My traveling days are definitely not
Everywhere but England.
Yes.
It's so true.
I can't see myself living in Wales forever. It's just it'll always be my home.
Yeah.
Just the weather, man. Like today, it's still raining. It's like. Wow.
I think you've been talking about that. It's been raining since.
Raining since Tuesday when we got on.
And as generally, I'm actually serious, and it's not drizzle. It's actually raining. It's fact. It's just wild.
No, we enjoy your weather reports.
As well, you know.
Well, yeah, and that's the thing. Like, it's like fuck. I was up the driving range yesterday because I want to get my practice in to smash here in Thailand and get these free drinks. And apart from a couple of boys, and they were just there's one guy, old guy, Dylan, he's playing off two, like nearly scratch, and he's so positive about everything. And he's like, the weather, it's the weather, you know? But even he was saying yesterday, like, this weather's fucking bollocks. it was just like a flip, and I looked at him and he's like, don't look at me like that, I just had a tipful. There's only so much positivity you can give.
Yeah, you know, when they get serious, then it's like, alright.
It's like that.
Where are you guys going to? Marcia, we are going next week. This time next week, I'll be in Thailand. This time next week.
Yeah, this live. I don't know. Will it be on Zoom on Friday?
Probably on the cans. You won't even be there yet. It's only 2:20 in Bangkok right now.
Oh.
We'll be waiting on you, so we'll be on Zoom. Me and Joe. When's the next meet after this one? Mike, I don't know. I definitely want to do another one this year. I'll do as many as possible, honestly. I think we should plan it. We should plan another one. Christmas time. In some hot place. Maybe we'll go on a skiing retreat. That'd be pretty fucking sweet.
Do you just say it in a hot place and try?
No, well, I had a hot place in mind. Then in my head, I decided to switch to a skiing trip, but it didn't come out.
I think there are a couple of channels deep already.
That's what these markets are doing to me. Great, enjoy it. Thank you, Marcia. We will. It's going to be good. I'm going to vlog loads there as well. Do loads of videos. But
great. Yeah, Blake, what were you on about on the golf? What was that?
Monopoly bought out a golf with all the
Yeah.
courses in New South Wales.
That's so funny. EU
Oh my
retesting.
god. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So I'm saying we should all go to play it, and then whoever wins, that's our golf trip.
Yeah, that'd be very funny.
Oh, that's pretty shit. Yeah, that is. That'd be lush.
Yeah, I got an email through like a golf link number, and they're like, yeah, pre-order now for New South Wales golf course.
Nice.
Oh, wow. Where's my neck? He's in.
EU is retesting on the lower time frames, but it's just so messy. Like if you were to short EU, you're shorting it down into this level right here. So it's just like it's like an 8 pip range, and the hourly is, you know, the hourly's actually grabbed the previous lows, which is what we need to do before we could potentially go higher. So if we close back above this level, I think EU could actually go higher. That's why I'm watching gold as well, because gold on the hourly is still respecting this support. We're grabbing these previous lows. So if we can start to push up and gold starts to leave a wick on the hourly, then I think we get a nice, 80 pip drive into the highs. So I'm just waiting for gold to see how we're going to close. And if we start to look like we're going to throw the wick and close back above this level after grabbing this low here and this low, then I think it could be we could have a nice push. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Because 30 minutes not broken either. 7 more minutes till gold's going to close. Even if this 30 breaks, could be a little fake out to potentially go higher. I'd be more comfortable long in gold than selling it. And GJ, these emojis sum up GJ. If we break above, we'll be making bank. Break below, making bank. But in this level, we're furious.
There's only one more emoji I can think of that you could put in there.
What's that?
No.
Get it in the shit range.
Yeah, it makes you cheat.
You had to hold yourself back there.
That's it. I'm writing that down in my journal so I don't forget for Friday. Smack you across the head with a pillow.
We'll have some breads. If we break above, we'll get bread. If we break back below, we'll get some breads as well.
Anyone close to Melbourne? In the community? Is anyone close to Melbourne?
Melbourne? Final call for Melbourne?
How do you say it then?
Anyone?
Melbourne. How do you say it then?
No.
Is Angel, or was it Angel in the chat? Someone was posting pictures of them living in Melbourne, like from their apartment.
Yeah, Angel does, yeah.
That's where my mate is. I was playing Woodlands in Melbourne. He said it's an unbelievable course. I don't know. We did live in Canada a long time, so we do over-exaggerate.
No volume. Now what's wrong? Exactly what you just said. No volume. That's what's wrong. We need some volume. Buy entry at 162,425. 162,425. Whoa. You got a buy entry from all the way down there. You're chilling. Where? 162. 162,425. Yeah, all the way down here. Yeah, you're laughing. Laughing all the way to the bank if you got longs from down there. Although I do think it's time GJ had a pullback. You know, we're at this very, very key level. 166 is a massive level on GJ. That's why we're stalling around these regions so much, because it's a massive fucking bank battle going on right now. 166 is a huge historical level. Huge. Let's have a look at it on the monthly. Look at this. Here, back in 2016, 2014. Here, back in 2013. Look at this. All the way back in the 2000s. Here, look at this. 1999. We're going back. We're almost back to when Alad started trading. I'm joking. Going back to 1994. So 166 is a huge historical level for GJ. That's why we're currently just battling in between at the minute. and stalling so much. Sorry about that. There was no need for that, was there?
I wasn't really listening, and then I was like, oh, really? I thought it was going to be like 1966 or something like that. What a guy.
Good morning, Adam. Good to have you here, man. Good to have you back on stream. But yeah, that's the only reason that we're struggling so much around these regions, is because it's such a incredible level right now. I really like it to have an overall push from here. This big level is huge. Is huge. And if this week doesn't actually close above these highs, I think maybe spike it up one more time, and I think GJ is due a big sell-off to at least come and grab this weekly low next week. Same as USD yen. I don't trade that pair, but I shared analysis on this early on in the week from our level, which is on the daily. See, we haven't actually removed that much. Still pushed down like from our level, like almost 200 pips. But yeah, pairs are just coming into such big historical levels. Same as gold. Gold on the weekly, trading around that 2000 region. We're trading around this resistance from back in 2020 as well. So we're bound to struggle around these regions. But if this week holds above 2000, which is looking like it's going to, it's the first time gold's held above 2000 ever for more than 1 week. Last time we broke above 2000, the next week broke straight back below, and that fake out confirmed. And the monthly left that big wick. So April on gold is huge. If April breaks 2000, gold will be coming up to grab these highs. So that's the only reason that the market's somewhat choppy and quiet right now, is just because we're around historical resistance. Doesn't mean we can't intraday trade it. We absolutely can, but that's the only reason why we're getting these ranges. Gold's having a nice breakout now. GJ not yet. Oh, look at this. USD yen. Nice 3-pin pattern there. Grabbing the highs.
Oh, because that's what I just sent you on EA.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, nice. EA 15. Let's have a look. Euro AUD 15. Oh, yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that.
So the only thing about EA is you have to wait for a bigger move, because the pip sizes aren't that great.
Yeah, or trade percent risk. Yeah. Like just trade like 1 to 2% risk. Because still, if come down to that, it's only, even to these lows, it's only 20 pips, but you risk 1%, you could catch some nice. Do you check yen basket? 4%? 2 into these lows. I mean, if you obviously snap that, then to come down into there. 4, yeah. No, I don't check it much. I used to check it, but I don't watch it too much anymore. But yeah, that's around a big weekly level. The week's throwing big rejections. We're now grabbing all of these previous week lows. So if the yen closes back above here, we could see some nice strength, which would then mean GJ, EJ, and USD yen are going to have nice pullbacks. So it's nice to see that added confluence. Are you in a trade? No, not yet. Not yet. I'm just waiting for some. Oh, look at that. GJ, little miniature head and shoulders there as well. A little fake out confirmed, retested, pushing lower. Breaking that support. But I can't short it because I would be selling right into support at 2 pips. And I don't get out of bed for 2 pips.
No.
So you could, if there was a nice juicy clear range to the lows, you could look at something like that.
Yeah.
But not for me.
Oh, I pulled it a little bit more.
Not in. So, just in case anyone starts to go crazy and take it. Yeah. But, if we do, how we just had that 30 close as well, And that was the last 5 minutes of the 30, which is now closed pretty bearish. Pretty bearish. But so you got that 30 support right there.
Look at EJ on the 15. Those 2 15-minute candles are beauties.
No, my days, yeah. Again, if it was a clear range, I'd love to sell this, but the range is just dog shite. Oh, look at this. Who's making bank now? Who's the real winner?
Nothing, so just see it now.
But if we break the support with nice volume, then we could look for a top wick to then sell it down. So this is the level that I needed it to break out of, because then we could come and trade some of these levels, which on the hourly, I then think we could come and liquidate these lows. Hourly support is probably like around like there. Got them bodies here.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
But my spreads are like they're huge.
Mine.
What are you on now then?
GJ is 12, 14.
But like 1.4, you mean?
Yeah, but that I'm on one. I'm on 0.8, 0.9.
Yeah, same. Like 1.2.
Yeah,
1.9.
Yeah, I'm around
The EJ is a little lower, but
0.8 to 1.5.
Isn't it? There's like it's in it.
Well, if you click onto it, like on MT4, click on the pair and click chart.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, and unless your red line is all the way up here, it will be 1.5. If your entry's there and your red line's like here, that'll be 1 pip. You get me?
I get you.
You get me. So what have I got on gold right now? Gold 1.5. EU I got 0.3, which is very nice.
Are you guys looking at EU at all?
Some of the guys had a short in EU. Blake had a nice short on EU before.
I'm doing some buys.
Oh, look at that. That's why I said.
It's ripping. Like yesterday, I did the exact same as this.
Literally. That's why I like whoever was saying short the retest, and that's why I was saying do not short the retest, because the hourlies grab these lows, and this is where the hourly could be grabbing them lows to potentially then rip the highs. Look at that, grab the lows, closing back from the range, could now come and grab the highs. I want gold to follow suit, to be honest.
That's why I closed my shorts, but I couldn't find an entry to go long. But
good man.
Yeah, I closed my shorts with intention for.
Yeah, nice. That was great management. Yeah, Alan, that's only that'd be like 1.5.
Okay.
1.5 pepperonis. Yeah.
You didn't say me then.
Have you contacted them saying what the fuck's going on? Why the fuck are my spreads like this?
They're probably like, this guy again. They emailed me back about was it Wednesday? And about we can't see anything on your MT4. I know. That's why I'm contacting you.
Oh, that was that buy on gold.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, that's fucking well annoying.
Can't see anything on your whatever they said. That is a buy trade.
Well,
I was like,
that was.
Why do you think I'm contacting you? Fucking idiot.
That was this, wasn't it? This ripper.
Yes.
This.
It was.
I was almost 200 pips in 1 5-minute candle. So what? So what did they say to that? Like, what was? Nothing.
I entered. Yeah, I put in the it was above. I think it was above that candle there. Yeah, where you got it.
Yeah.
I pressed order for the order, so set the order, And don't get me wrong, it was like 1 or 2 seconds away from that ripping.
Yeah.
It was. And I clicked it, I looked up on the screen, I was like, shit. And then I went to look and swipe left and press the tick. But then there was nothing to swipe left, and I was like, where the fuck's my gold trade?
Yeah, it's bullshit. Bullshit.
Being challenged past, sir.
Yeah, that's fucking annoying.
Bell ends.
I'll be back in a bit.
All good, man. Alright, man.
Have a good one. See ya.
See you, man. I was hoping that gold was going to start to reject this low for a potential run up into these highs, but we're coming this close to this low now. Now I'm wondering if we're going to grab this low before then doing that later on.
No. Do you think it'll take that for a bit lower? That one there?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the other one. The left.
This one?
Do you think it'll take that up? Yeah.
Yes, possible. Yeah, I think so.
Possibly, yeah.
4 hourly looking so. Come and retest these highs. Even retest these highs all the way down here. I think so.
EA. Oh, see, EA. If this 15 minutes closes below that level, I'm going short.
Yeah, I think so. I think once we clear these lows, then we got nicer traffic to come and retest. Have you seen these ads where someone else will pass your challenge for you? Yeah, Adam, I've seen a few of these Instagram traders offer to do that, and they're always bullshit firms that you've never heard of before. I've never seen one person do it on FTMO or my Forex funds. Not one single person. The same people that are recommending these companies like Blue Forex funds and First Class Forex, all these bullshit firms, because they're making money off charging people to pass, and they do pass them, but they're just bullshit firms you never get payouts from, and they say, well, that's not my problem. I passed a challenge for you, didn't I? I've not seen one person, not one single person, do it on FTMO or my Forex funds. If anyone else has, please let me know, but I have not seen anyone legitimately do it. Not one person. And these people who are saying we'll pass your challenge for you are recommending a new fucking funding company every other week. And I'm not even exaggerating. Every other week, they're recommending some new funding company that no one's ever heard of. It's fucking crazy. I don't know how people still follow people that do that. Industry is full of fucking scammers. Aaron, how long would a beginner take to learn your swing strategy? Maverick, depends how long you put the hours in, man. I don't think it would take too long. The good thing is you've got it in the community, so it's not as if you're like buying a course and you're left to fend on your own. You'll be watching us execute live every single day, so you'll definitely pick it up a lot quicker. You know, you're not going to get consistency within the first month, that's for sure. But I can promise you that you will get better every single month without a doubt if you're putting in the hours. But the people who join the community and then leave after month 1 are the ones that just join for signals and looking to get rich quick. The ones who put in the time and effort are the ones that actually do well. You in a trade? No, not yet, man, not yet. Oh, look at that on GJ. Had a 5-minute closure on there. Not in, sir. I should be in, sir. Look at that. There's 15 pips. 15 pipperoonies. But as soon as the 15 breaks this level, top, and then I'll short it. Then I'll definitely short it. I just need a 15-minute closure of this support. So yeah, see how key this support is. How long we got? We've got 3 more minutes. So if this breaks in 3 minutes and we come up and pull up first, then I'll look to short. My stop will be above this previous high for around 10 pips. Looking to play it down into these lows for potential 50. Oh yeah, that looks nice, Howard. I like that.
I'm waiting for the 15 minutes.
Yeah. Patience could pay here. We've been sitting here for 2 hours not taking anything, and we could have some trades very soon. We can delete this now. 15. This 15 is looking real good on GJ. Close bearish like this, then the next candle comes up and grabs the previous 5-minute low. Liquidate this 5-minute low, and then I'll be shorting it. We'll do something like this. Grab this previous 5-minute.
Why would you rather wait for the 15 than the 5? Is it just more better confirmation?
It's more so just 15 support. So if it's 15 support, I need 15 to break. Just to be safe. And because of how choppy it's been, like with this price action we've had all morning, trading the 5-minute has been so unpredictable. I don't want to get caught in a bad trade. But yeah, it's had a crazy good push now. But there's been no 5-minute entry. Is that 20 pips stop loss? No, stop loss will be around 10, 15. 10, 15 pipperoonies. It'll likely be above the previous 15-minute high. Around something like this. So depending on our entry will depend on the size of the stop loss. But the stop loss will likely be around this previous 15-minute. Because that broke this level and retested and pushed down. If there wasn't this, shit level here, we would have been taking our first entry that we were mentioning, like this. But because there we came into instant support, it was aggressive. So this 15-minute closure is going to be key. Needs to close with a nice body. And then we want an instant push up. And then we'll have sells maybe somewhere like this, like this, like this. But let's just monitor the 5. How's gold looking? I don't want to miss gold. Looks like we're getting some volume now. Not on gold.
I'm making this 5-minute MBA. This can close below, rip down.
Yeah.
I've actually entered it.
Nice.
I'm not in it yet.
Full margin, half risk, one of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Absolutely. I think this would be nice. 15 is looking minging now.
Yeah.
5. But the close is above. Like this. And I'll cancel it.
Yeah.
Cheeky.
Waiting for the retest. Yeah, waiting for the 15 closure and the 15 retest. That's all we need. And then this hourly on GJ is looking solid for a nice drive down. Because we haven't liquidated any lows before this push up. So it tells me that price needs to come and at least grab this low. So even if the hourly closes bearish, the hourly could then still come up and create the top wick as well. So that's something to be wary of. Coming quite close to the end of the hourly. So it's like you could jump in shorts right now, stops here. The hourly closes bearish, but then the hourly needs to come up and retest as well before then going down. So you don't want to go sit in a shit ton of drawdown. So let's just see if we can get a push up and a worthwhile risk reward, we'll look to short it.
What comes to that order?
Yeah.
EA is cancelled.
Yeah. Good shout.
That's the beauty of this style where I really like it. So in essence there I was kind of wrong. But if I went off the retest,
you'd be fooked.
I would have lost instead of being wrong.
Yeah. Yes, sir. What do you wait for the 1 hour to close below? Yeah, we may have to be honest. Only because, like I just said, yeah, hourly hasn't broken it yet, and even if this hourly does break it, the hourly still needs to come back up and retest as well. So if we jump in on the 15 and then the hourly stops us at break even, creating this top wick before going lower, then we'll be a little bit annoyed. Usually I don't mind trading before hourly closures, but because we're in the last 15 of the hourly, yeah, we just need to see. See, we would have got triggered in this right now. Stops would be here. Playing it down into here. Stops would be 25. I still think we can.
I think we can come up more.
Yeah, me too.
I think is triggering, you know, who in first, and then
yeah. Or you could, you could short it now with stops up here, sit in drawdown for a couple of hours and take 15 pips.
yeah, lock.
If it's in profit, you're a scalper, but if it goes into drawdown, you're a swing trader.
Yeah, you've got all that time to decide.
You got all that time for everyone on fucking chat to hate you. GJ left without us? No, not yet. Not yet. It's okay. Even if it does, I'm honestly not too bothered. It's not. It's not a huge play. Don't get me wrong, it'll be nice, but I don't think it's gone yet. Because like I say, the hourly in this 30-minute could still, 30-minute breaks this level, which is also going to be the hourly. Then the hourly can come back up, and then we can get the short. So that's why you have to be wary of that and never chase trades on the lower time frame, especially when we're coming into higher time frame closures, like the 30-minute and the hourly.
EJ would have been a lovely one.
Is EJ playing nicer now?
16 pips there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
But the target would have had to be
now. Yeah, now. Right now. Even on the break at this low. 15, yeah, shit.
Very nice on the 15.
I don't know how you guys stay so calm. I'm always nervous. Maverick, something that just comes with time, honestly. You just understand it's just another trade for the books. It's just a trade. Win, loss, break even. It's only a trade, man. It's not this trade isn't gonna make or break me. This trade isn't gonna decide how good or bad my month is. It's just another trade. That's all it is. This is pushing, but I don't care.
Should have known me about 2 years ago. Jesus. Holy cow.
Do you think GJ for a swing buy at 1652? Let's have a look. Let's go on the hourly. 1652. Yeah, it's a nice level to start looking for some trades, because you got all of this. All of that's a nice level. As soon as we liquidate these lows, all of that is a nice level to start potentially looking to take it back up. Overall, I want to see this, like this. If the 15-minute doesn't retest, wait for the hour. Yeah, absolutely. That's all I'm waiting for now. 15 minutes still pushing lower, but the 15-minute will still come and grab this previous 15-minute high, which will also be the hourly retest, and then you still get it on the play down, which is still into the lows, still 50 pips. Amazing. We've still got so much of the move left.
50 pips.
Take a fib like this. Come down into here, 165.
2 seconds.
All good, man, all good. Ali's on a margin call again. 165 is down there as well. Look at that, minus 27 sitting around that 165 level pretty well. Nice confluences for GJ to come down. Had this impulsive move, corrected up into that 61.8%. Having a nice drive down now. So we go, just go keep this. But it's very easy to think you've missed the move, and you start chasing this, you start jumping in shorts now, and then before you know it, the hourly closes, and then the hourly comes all the way back up to retest this level, and all of a sudden you go into 20-30 pip drawdown before it then comes back down. As soon as you go into drawdown, you start doubting yourself, closing your position, and chasing it. Whereas for me, I never chase trades. I let the trades come to me. If this just out of nowhere drops to the floor, I don't care. That's not my trade. I don't mind. I'm sticking to my plan, and my plan is now waiting for this 30 an hourly closure below this level to then come and retest and then take it back down. So still plenty of time in this one. Plenty of time. Markets ain't going anywhere. Absolutely nowhere. Last Friday we had like a 50 pip trade on gold in 5 minutes. And them trades are always around the corner. Where is it?
Yes, please.
Always around the corner. Here. Last Friday. Yeah, I actually took off most around here. So I had like 60 pips in 5 minutes. So I'm always just keeping my mind in the zone, ready for the fact that this volume could come in at any time. But if you start thinking you've missed the move, you know, the markets are shit, the markets have gone without you, you're just screwing your psychology and ruining it for yourself for when the next opportunity comes. How long does your trading session last? I'm usually done by now, to be honest. But because we're finally getting some volume, and we're only still in the first hourly of the London, I'm still going to wait for a little bit more. But usually 2.5 hours in London session, and then 2.5 hours in US as well.
Mark's joining in about 5 minutes too.
Nice. I haven't had
EU 1 hour candle is like a perfect doji. It just dropped a little bit, but it's filthy.
Oh yeah, how's gold looking? Yeah, if gold can miraculously pull back up in the next 7 minutes, I think gold will have a drive up into here.
Did you see Jai's entry in the Discord?
No, let me have a look. Oh, very nice. What was that on gold? On the 15. Where was that? 15. Let me see. Yeah, very nice. They're still like back to break even now though. Lovely execution, and you're almost back to break even because you come straight into that support. 30 pips. Still though, 40 pips. That's a nice quick catch. You can't miss my sell limit. Where's my charger? But yeah, I usually calling it by now, but I'm gonna stay on for a little bit more. I don't want to call it just yet because it's looking like we're gonna get some nice volume. After waiting for so long, if we start to call it when we're getting volume, we're gonna be pissed. Like yesterday. Yesterday I called it. Went to go walk my dog and then sniped 15 pips on GJ. We started to get some volume. Here.
You know, there was over 100 messages in the group chat when I logged on. I was like, hell no.
Where was it? I've deleted my restore water. I had this. Was it that one? How many did that hit? Yeah, there yesterday on that 15-minute flip and breakout. And I secured 50% at like 15, and then the rest got me a break even. Actually, it wasn't 15. It's probably like around 14.
All right, last 5 minutes of the hour.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it, GJ. Give us that volume, motherfucker. Oh, man.
If EA can pull up a little bit more, I'm going to re-enter, I think.
Oh, look at EU. EU closing back above that range. Could take the break of the highs. I say 10 pips though. Oh, Goldie getting some volume now. Look at that 5 minute coming close to the end of the hourly. That was a very nice 5 minute. Only 20 pips stop loss. Come back up into the highs. 100 pips. How long you got? We've got 3 more minutes to this hour. He's going to close. Let me just get my demo account all fired up again, just in case. The thing is, we came so close, but didn't grab this low. That's my only concern. But we have broken back above this little minor level there. The demo account's fired up. Raring to go.
You enter now?
Not yet. I'm setting it up to see if we're going to start to throw some rejections. If I do take it, I will only take it half risk, and I'll enter in another position as we probably break this level. How's the hourly starting to look on gold? Yeah, it's looking good. My concern is this double bottom that we've created now, which is pretty fucking annoying. We came so close to this low but didn't grab it. Doesn't mean we can't retrace before grabbing it later on though. Because that 5 minute, look at that 5 minute was beautiful. But if the 5 minute doesn't break the highs, then you don't get triggered, you don't take the loss, you just close it. Yeah, I'm putting gold in, half risk. Half risk, stop loss is around 20 pips. But if this 5 minute doesn't flip, I'll wait for more and I'll close it straight away in 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Because look, we just kind of broke back above this very little minor level, quickly retesting. So if we get the volume, should have a nice drive in this 5 minute like we've seen before. And then, you know, we haven't grabbed any highs. And I would enter another position once this flips bullish and does the same thing. I also don't want to miss GJ though. Let me see GJ. GJ's finding some support, which could give you the pullback to then go short, which is very nice. Yeah. If this Goldie doesn't flip in 1 minute though, we will have to cancel, because then we could grab these highs, then grab the lows before them potentially going higher. And I don't want to get triggered and go straight into drawdown. I want the volume to continue. That previous 5 minute was really nice. We grabbed these little minor lows here, strong push up. How many pips was that previous 5? It's like the strongest 5 we've seen all session. Yeah, that was 17 pips in this 5 minute candle. So that was some nice volume. Support here, very key level, trading back above, now starting to flip bullish in the last minute of this candle.
You in?
I'm gonna be in a second. Yeah, I'm in. Spreads just got me in. Where's my entry? I'm in half risk though. Half risk.
Risk says.
They got fucking send a full margin.
I'll enter in another position once we break this little level. Half risk demo, yeah, half risk demo always. But I'm actually in this half risk.
Oh, GJ just keeps going too, loving it.
Half risk, just in case anyone else has taken this. Half risk. GJ, oh look at that, GJ's still pushing. Not liquidated any previous 5 minute highs just yet. GJ's having some volume. If gold could have some volume, that would be beautiful.
It's a good close from the 15 and 30, everything from gold.
Oh, there we go. We just closed. Yeah, hourly was nice. Hourly was nice. See.
Very good, very nice.
But we now could wait there. Let me just see. But we now could come and grab this previous 5 minute. It wasn't the best previous 5 minute. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't bad because the 5 minute trading above this level. But now this is the 5 minute of the hourly where we could come and grab these lows before then doing this. So I would have actually liked to cut that break even, but I wasn't quick enough. I would have been out of break even if I was quick enough on that. And I would have waited for
an order in on this.
Yeah. And then
you want to gold?
No, I'm still in. I wanted to close at break even, but I wasn't quick enough. Only because I think we could now come and grab this low, maybe retest some levels down here, and I don't want to go into, you know, what we're doing now. So I would say it's 7 pips drawdown, but still. Only risking 10 pips overall on this trade. But hourly, how's that 15? Yeah, 15 was real nice. That's the thing. We just need to now survive this current bottom 15 before then, or is it a fake out to then go lower? Who knows? But for me, I don't need stops all the way down here at like 30 pips. I'm happy to have stops above, below this previous 5 minute, because if you break this 5 minute, then I think we just go lower. But it's a bit annoying because I I wanted to cut this at break even. GJ coming up. Yeah, let's not miss GJ as well. How's that hourly just closed? Beautiful. Yeah, cool. Let me set an alert on GJ so we don't miss it around these levels. So if we come back up, we'll look for some shorts on GJ as well. That hourly on gold, real nice though. Still respecting that support. I'm skeptical of this double bottom though. That's why I've had to go half risk. Feeling further downside energy on GJ. Yeah, the volume might continue a little bit more, but as soon as we pull back up, as long as we don't grab these lows, you're still good to short. We got 3 more minutes to close on gold. But look at that, gold just had some really nice volume. We want to see it continue. If we then start to go quiet again, then it's just going to be one of them days.
It'd be nice if it closed above that level.
Yeah, if it breaks below it, that's when I'm going to have to start managing risk again. But we're grabbing this previous 5 minute. That's where now if I did close at break even, I would now have a buy order in like this instead. So if anyone wants to enter another position, that's where I would do it.
I wonder if EA is going to push down. It's going to just slow down.
If gold now breaks these highs like this, then I will bring stops to here and be risking like 4 pips. Shit. By GJ, I'm waiting. Wait. Buy GJ. I'm not buying GJ yet. See, this is not what we want. This is why I didn't want to hold this. How long we got? 33 seconds. 33 seconds till I cut this position at minus 4 pips. Because if 5 minute closes back below this level, then we're breaking what we want. We need this to close above this level. And if I do cut it at 4 pips, I'll put in another buy order like this and have a better risk to reward. But I'm a bit annoyed because I did want to get out of this trade. But it's fine. Shit happens. Alright, 5 minutes just closed. Very, very bearish. Yeah, I'm closing this here at minus 5 pips. Makes no sense for us to hold this trade. Minus 5 pips is fucking fantastic as well. And I'm gonna wait. And if we start to throw some rejections and the 15's looking like it's going to reject, I am going to put in another buy order. But I'm out of that at minus 5 pips. Reason for cutting it, well, to be fair, I wanted to cut it at break even, but I wasn't quick enough to the party. And the reason I wanted to close it at break even is because the hourly could be coming to create this bottom wick. I wanted this 5 minute to have the drive so I could get stops to break even. But as this 5 minute closed doji, then that's an indecisive candle and this volume isn't true just yet. So that's why we're now having this pushback down. So we cut, where did we just close this? Let's see how it would have played out if we had just held full risk out of curiosity. Original stop was here, but we cut it around here. Love the management. You do well in the ministry. Hey, thank you, Adam. Yeah, you got to manage your trades, man. You got to manage your positions, especially in low volume. If you're going long and the 5 minutes flipping against you, There is literally 0 point you holding like 30, 40 pip drawdown. Just cut the position and re-enter when it gives you the opportunity. So I've cut this at -5 pips, and I'll just re-enter if it breaks back above, and I will make back my 5 pips in seconds. 5 pips is absolutely nothing. And that's also the reason that I did half risk as well. It made no sense to trade this full risk. There you go. We would have just hit full stop as well. So we cut it the second that 5 minute went against us. We're open to the fact that anything in the markets can happen. The 5 minutes flip bearish. There is zero. Oh, look at that. Holy shit. There is zero reason to hold that. And you would have just got absolutely slipped there as well. Holy shit. What a push. Hourly.
Is still in here, or G or T?
Hourly is now grabbing them lows. Look at that. Oh, this. I don't want to miss GJ. Oh, look at that. GJ, what a cunt. GJ hit TP as well. Rest in peace, gold longs.
I'm very interested on buying gold at the moment.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Because this next hourly, if it closes back above this support, is going to be very, very interesting. But the fact that this could have happened is the reason that I used half risk. Oh, here he is. Mark's in the building.
What's up?
Good to have you back, man. It's been a while.
Oh, it's been a minute. I got a bit more hair now since the last time you saw me.
Yeah, you need a fresh trim.
I got one for Thursday, mate, fresh for Thailand.
Good man.
I had the YouTube stream playing in the car, and I was like,
nice.
Come on, Goldie.
But yeah, I just took some longs. Do you see me take the gold longs?
Yeah, I had it playing through.
Nice. Yeah, I had gold longs. It was looking really nice off that 5 minute close. My original stop was like down here, but after that 5 closed bearish, I had to cut it straight away.
I'm in the car. I hear Blake talk about how nice the hourly's close, and I'm like, quick. Oh man.
Yeah, gold is dripping. Look at that.
I also took L on EA.
Oh, did you? What did you take?
Yeah, EA is Apex. I just got it. It was shooting higher, and I was like, I'm not.
This one?
Is it nice? Nice entry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good shit.
Just.
Hey, to cut -8 pips is fucking great management, honestly. We're not like these furus taking 50 pip stop losses. If we had just held this like this, we would have gone from -5 pips to like -15 to 20, which is wild. Keep your losses small, keep your winners bigger. For me, that was 2.5 lots minus $325. I'm in on a buy on GJ at 165446. 165446. I don't know. I would not buy GJ. You're buying GJ at support.
Confirmations before you enter on that.
Yeah, hourly's just closed incredibly bearish on GJ. So if you're long in GJ right now, without even, just left a double bottom, retail trap right now.
It's that whole thing, don't be predictive, be reactive to the market.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Gold buys, yeah, maybe. But I wouldn't buy gold until the 15 closes back above this level, which probably won't come into the US session. How's the 4 hour looking? Yeah, 4 hourly is dumping off that resistance. We'll probably come in. We'll grab this low all the way down here. Could even come retest highs all the way down here. So if we get a strong 15 bearish close, you could even take the short. As long as you don't grab them lows, you could make back your 5 pip loss in a couple of seconds. Ah, fuck. Oh, man, I'm getting too old for this.
You trade that I cut it 6 pips.
GJ needs to take out them wicks on the hourly. Yeah, Mike, I agree. GJ has to grab these lows. Anyone who is going long on GJ right now, you can assume they've probably got their stops either below this low or this low. So a retail trap, boom, and then who knows, boom. Let me see. Oh, I was gonna say that'd have been a beauty catch.
Been an interesting psychology week for me this week.
Oh man, it's been a slow grind.
I've refined a few things, and like I think spending more time identifying things about the psychology than actually trading, which has been good.
Good man. I love reading about trading psychology. It's my favorite part, honestly.
Cool. I've found like you if you're constantly watching the 5 minute, you get chopped around with it. And I open my notepad that I've been writing stuff on.
Yeah.
And that week we had insane trades.
Mm-hmm.
Like one of my first reels were looking for clear liquidations of 1 hour and 4 hour highs, which I haven't really been doing.
Yeah.
You just get chopped around, so.
Yeah, we had that week. March was fucking amazing. We had that week in March where it was just literally back to back. Every day was fucking straight bangers.
Couldn't lose.
No, literally, my win rate in March was ridiculous. And April it's been a lot slower. I'm hovering around after that 5 pip loss. I'm hovering around break even this week.
Oh, yeah, he is.
The man himself. So easy just to get stuck on the 5 minute. Yeah, very easy to get stuck on the 5 minute. Especially in choppy price action. You can get wicked out.
And look what happened when I tweaked that to what I was doing.
Mm-hmm.
I called that AU trade, even though I cut it. Like,
amazing cool.
It took out a clear high on the higher time frame, and then I refined rather than
Yeah, that's a very good call, man.
The other thing I found I was doing is you put your like bias onto the market. Like I found that if it was in an uptrend, I'd only look at buys, where I was ignoring if it had come and taken out a level for sells. Just because it's had a strong push doesn't necessarily mean it's going to keep going if it's taken those major highs. But I identified I was more had more of a not a bias, but an expectation on the market rather than actually trading what I was seeing.
Yeah, that's the key, man. That's the absolute key.
Still hasn't been a bad week, but just things that I've identified.
That's why I couldn't. I was wanting to short GJ, and this was one of them. It's like I was pretty confident I was gonna have this push back down, but when this was closing this bearish, I had to trade what I saw, and the 30 minute hadn't actually broken it just yet. So if I was jumping in sells as soon as we looked like we're gonna break it, if I did that every time here, I would have got stopped out every single time. So once you have to wait for that confirmation, trade exactly what you see, then boom.
But even for me, even though I haven't taken many trades this week, that's a huge growth thing. Being able to identify those things within my trading and refine them.
That's the key. That's the key, man. That's the key.
Absolutely.
100%.
It's huge.
No, gold's taking this low. I wanted a short gold before taking this low. Motherfucker.
Speaking of GUs, just taking that 5 minute low and that big wick on the hourly and 4 hourly.
GU.
Have a look on the hourly, chuck it up.
Don't you know, chuck it up. Gotta chuck it up.
There's me on the one on the what? I sold GU at 25256 minus 14-15 pips. Wait, use 14-15 pips in profits. Very nice. 2526. 25.
You gotta cheer at the screen. Has everyone liked the YouTube stream?
No, that's what it was. People stopped liking the stream, so gold went down.
You gotta like the stream, guys.
Have some hate in or something. Do something.
Yeah, get some L's in there. Or do something.
Emojis or something.
I know it. It's like Okay.
Yeah.
Moldy bread or something, or anything like that.
If we had hit, we're on 42 likes. If we had hit 50 likes on this trade, it was inevitable that gold would have been up here by now. It's just obvious.
That's pretty good. 42 likes.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
43. Yeah, get it shared on Facebook.
I was listening to a podcast. Warren Buffett was talking about YouTube live stream likes equate to market volume.
Yeah.
Together, so.
Very true. There's no conspiracy. Yeah.
One or two things.
Sir Warren never lies.
I don't want to
Gold's at that
beat on the ground down.
Gold's at that nice level, hey.
Yeah, I think we could retest these levels, and I think US session is going to be really interesting today.
There was no bottom wick on that candle though before it drove up. So.
Show me your likes, I'll show you your future.
Yeah, you really can't.
Alright, let me just...
Do you know what I'm gonna...
Where are we at? What's going on here? All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up here. Minus 5 pips today. Sitting around break even for the week. It was very good trade management, very good execution. Then gold just had a slam back down, so it went from taking 15 pip stop loss to only 5 pip stop loss. So it was really good management there. I'm gonna sit on with the community for like another 15-20 minutes, but I want to close London and then come back for the US session fresh. But if you guys did enjoy today's stream, remember, drop a little like, and we'll be back next Monday and next Wednesday before I go to Thailand next week. But yeah, feel free to check out my other trade recaps and all of the other good shit on the channel. I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.